Okay, this is another outfit that I just made that I wanted to show you. This is a little long sleeve top that I just got from Goodwill, and then I just customized it with my drawings and my fabrics printed onto, oh my god, my art printed onto fabric and then sewn onto the top. And it was originally just like a long sleeve men's button down that I cropped, and then I dip dyed with turmeric powder and drew onto the sleeves using permanent fabric markers, and then I cut them. And then this is a skirt that I also got from the thrift store, and then I just drew all over it. And I also made the bathing suit underneath. And that's my friend swimming behind me. Oh no, that's my sister swimming behind me. I'm going to show the swimsuit too.
I'm happy that they at least have a shower. I said I'm glad they have a shower. What do they do?
And then this is the swimsuit that I made.
They do? Yeah, they do. I saw one.
This is my sketchbook drawing printed onto sport lycra fabric. And they're my sketchbooks, just, yeah. I sewed them into a bathing suit. So yeah.